Apple cider vinegar, health benefits and uses. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained immense popularity for its numerous health benefits and versatile uses. In this video there is everything you need to know about apple cider vinegar and how it can enhance your health and lifestyle. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice and is known for its high acetic acid content, which contributes to its health benefits. Health benefits of apple cider vinegar? Weight loss. The greatest benefit of apple cider vinegar is weight loss. Boosts metabolism. ACV can increase your metabolism, helping burn more calories. Suppresses appetite. Helps you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Blood sugar control. 1. Lowers blood sugar levels. ACV can improve insulin sensitivity, beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. 2. Reduces blood sugar spikes. Consuming ACV before meals can help prevent rapid increases in blood sugar levels. Digestive health. Improves digestion. ACV can increase stomach acid, aiding in better digestion and nutrient absorption. Relieves bloating. Helps reduce bloating and indigestion. Skin health. Clears acne. ACV has antibacterial properties that can help clear acne. Balances skin pH. Helps restore the skin's natural pH balance. How to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Dilute it in water. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink before meals. Salad dressing. Use ACV as a tangy addition to your salad dressings. How to use apple cider vinegar for better skin and hair. Facial toner. Dilute ACV with water and apply it to your face with a cotton ball to improve skin health. Hair rinse. Rinse your hair with diluted ACV to add shine and remove buildup. Apple cider vinegar offers a wide range of health benefits, from aiding weight loss to improving skin health. By incorporating ACV into your daily routine, you can take advantage of its natural properties to enhance your well-being. With these tips, you can start reaping the benefits of apple cider vinegar today. For more information about losing weight, diet, and health, please see our other videos. Links are provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button, and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.